this video we will discuss about matrix inverse, determinant of matrix multiplication, solution of third degree equation, and solution of simultaneous equations with three unknowns in calculator. First of all, switch on the go to settings, click on reset, initialize all, click on yes. Now to find matrix inverse, click on home, click on down arrow, here is matrix, then click on OK. Now there is a press tools to define a matrix. Now you just here can observe, here is the tools. Now matrix A. Now you need to give the dimensions for the matrix, whether it is 3 by 3 or 4 by 4. Click on OK. Now here is rows. You just click on arrow, one row is of 3 rows, that is assume a 3-row matrix. Click on down arrow, click on OK. Now for matrix A, size is columns. Click on left arrow and 3 columns. Click on OK. Now then you need to confirm the size, row by columns 3 by 3. Click on OK, confirm. Now you need to give the matrix values of the matrix. Now for example, if you consider values of the matrix, two equals to 1, 2, 5, 3, 3, minus 1, 0, and minus 2. Now we are define the matrix, given the dimensions, and we are define the matrix. Now you need to click on, again click on equals to, then press tools is there. Now you just click on catalog, matrix. Now matrix calculations. Now we need to calculate, if you want to calculate inverse or determinant of the matrix, you just click on an arrow. Here you can observe matrix square, matrix cube, inverse matrix, determinant. Now determinant, okay, determinant of matrix A, okay, bracket close. You can find the determinant of the given matrix is 1. Now if you want inverse of the matrix A inverse, matrix inverse can be obtained in two ways. One is by clicking after matrix A, shift inverse. Here you can observe this is a inverse is a equals to, then you can find out the inverse of the matrix, first row, second row, and third row, which is minus 6, 2 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 1, 1. In this way you need to do matrix. Now if you want to multiply matrix, now again in the catalog, again in the matrix A we already defined. Now you need to go to give the matrix B. Now for the matrix B there is no values, that's why matrix is not defined. First of all, you need to give the matrix tools. Now matrix B, you need to define the matrix B. Now you need to define the matrix size 3 by 3 for matrix B. Columns is also 3 by 3. Then you need to confirm, and again you need to give the second matrix. Now let us assume a second matrix of 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. Now we are defined matrix A as well as matrix B. Now again you need to go for equals to, then press tools is there. Again you need to go to catalog, matrix A multiply with matrix B. If you click on equal, then you will find out the matrix A multiply with matrix B. In this way you need to do multiplication. Now inverse, determinant. Now if you want, you can do transpose also by clicking catalog, matrix calculations, square matrix also you can find out matrix square, matrix cube, inverse matrix, determinant, and transposition and identity. Now after the completing, again you need to go to settings. You need to go to, again click on calculations and click on OK. Then total will be again in the normal calc mode. Now to solve a third degree equation, again you need to go to settings. To solve a third degree equation, go to settings. Now better to reset all the things. Click on home, click on down arrow. You can observe here equation is there. Click on this equation. Now there are two are there. One is simple equation, another one is polynomial equation. Now just go to polynomial equation. Now you can observe ax square plus bx plus c. It is second order equation. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is third order equation. Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus ax square plus dx plus e is a fourth order equation. Up to fourth order equation you can able to solve the equation. Now to find out a third order equation, let us assume a third order equation of lambda cube. Normally for finding eigenvalues you will find out, you will solve a third order equation. Lambda cube is here is x cube 1. The second coefficient is minus 7 lambda square. Third coefficient is, see there is no third coefficient, then is 0, and the fourth coefficient is constant which is equals to 36. Then if you press equals to, then you have a when x1 is nothing but lambda 1 is minus 2, lambda 2 is 6, and lambda 3 is 3. In this way you need to solve a third order equation. Now if you want to solve a 3 equations, then you need to go to simple equations. Now how many unknowns are there? 3 unknowns. Ax plus bx by plus cz equals to 0. Now we are having 3 equations, then by substituting the values in the 3 equations you are able to find out the value of x, y and z. Click on OK. Now let us assume first coefficient is 8, second one is minus 3, third one is 2, equals to 20. Second equation is 4, 11, minus 1, 33. Third equation is 6, 3, 12, equals to 36. Now the equations are 8x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x cube equals to 20, 4x1 plus 11x2 minus 3x cube x3 equals to 33, 6x1 plus 3x2 plus 12x3 equals 36. Now by click on equal to, you can able to find out the value of x1 is 3, x2 is 2, and x3 is 1. Okay, this is a solution not to solve the 3 unknowns. Now after again you need to click on settings and you need to reset all the initialize all variables. Yes, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like.